What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change out the inner door handle for the rear side of a 2007 Kia Spectra, because this one is cracked. Check it out. Yep, so let's go to it. All right, tools that you're gonna need. I got this replacement door handle from Dorman. Of course you're gonna need a new door handle. Something to pry open. There's caps for the screws and also to pry open the panel, and of course a screwdriver. That's pretty much it. So we're gonna pop this up and unscrew these 3 screws real fast, and then the other 2 that is behind this door handle. For 2007 Kia Spectra door handle replacement for the inside of the rear passenger side, you're going to need to take out this panel right here and take out this one and then unscrew this one. So you're also going to unscrew 2 main bolts, which is going to be here and here. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3 that we're going to do, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Let's go. All right, so we took out 5 screws. Just remember, there's gonna be 2 holding it down on the panel, and then there's gonna be 2 holding it down on this hidden panel that you gotta take out first, and then you got 1 more that's hidden and this cap that you gotta pop open and unscrew. After that, you're gonna want to have to take out this so the door can come off easy, and then you're gonna pry open your door panels. Sometimes you can just use a flathead Phillips screwdriver, or you can use your hand. I'm just going to use this little pocket knife, pop it open. There should be 3 tabs that hold this. So yeah, see? Easy. Put that aside, you're going to put that back. And now you got the door panel. This should be held also. But the way I pull out door panels is I usually find this little thing near edge, but since this one doesn't have, I'm not going to apply a Phillips screwdriver. I'm just going to feel it through with a knife. I'm just going to lightly pry it, you know. Right when I got it giving and opening, that's it. Now we're going to take out this one because we've already unscrewed this, so you're just going to pull it up and unhook it. That's how that one comes out. So now you can see the panel is open and ready to be pulled out. But remember, you don't pull it out right away. There is a connector for your window here. You're gonna have to unplug that. So we're gonna reach under and unplug it. Let's see if I can show you. All right, so it should be this. You can see it. You're just gonna pinch it and pull it out, and then you're free to pull out the panel. Yeah. All right, so I unhooked it, or pinched it and pulled it out, so it's already unhooked from the connector. Now I'm just going to kind of shimmy up lightly, and it should come off your door panel for a 2007 Kia Spectra. Then you got the water guard and so forth. We're going to be replacing these. So we're going to try to unhook the connectors for the latches, you know, because there's a door actuator, but then we're just going to unhook these latches. They're just clips that you're going to unplug, and then you're gonna have to unscrew the handle out. All right, so this is the pin or whatever hook that you're gonna unhook. I mean, it comes off easy. Just gotta plug it out like this, and it's out. And then there's also one more for the lock part. This door is breaking apart because it's broken. We bought this secondhand. Someone looks like they JB welded it, but yeah, that's how it's gonna look. We're gonna take that out, and it's gonna leave our latches for the door actuator exposed. Now we're just gonna pull this rain water guard off, and we're gonna see that we have actually 1, 2, 3. This is usually just 1 screw, but it looks like they did some weird shit to it, added extra screws, and of course JB welded it. So we're just gonna unscrew these, and then we're gonna slide this way, pull out, and put in our new door handle, inside door handle. Alright, so what I like to do is always compare the old and new. I mean, of course, this one is blown out, but we just pushed it out to unhook it. But yeah, these are blown out. That's the old door handle. This is the new one. I like to get my door handles at rockauto.com. They always got cheap door handles, probably like $10 for each. What we're gonna do is we're gonna push it in and we're gonna slide it so it locks in place, and then we're gonna screw it. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna leave the locks for the door handles or the door latches to be out here because we're gonna lock them when we put it in. Well, we're gonna put them in first, and then we're gonna push it in and slide it. So like this, we're gonna do the lock part like this. Yep. Lock the door. Lock it in. This one, I got the pin on that one, and now I'm gonna slide this so I can get the pin on the lock. It's locked. I got the pin on the lock, just like that. For the door, for the lock. Now we're just gonna have to screw this on and do everything in reverse, and we're done. All right, so we got these 3 screws on. We're just gonna put the other 2 on, and then we're just gonna clip this panel back and the other one on the door side, and we should be done. This job is about like a 20-minute fix. Of course, if you have the part already, you're okay and good to go. Just like that. Your inside door handle for 2007 Kia Spectra is replaced. Let's give it a test. All right, locked. It's good. Open. It's good. Good job. All right, thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe what you think or what you feel, or if you have any questions of how to do it. I don't care how old this video is. I'm down to help you if you own a 2007 Kia Spectra and or a 2008 Kia Sportage. Just message me, comment down below. But yeah, we just replaced the broken door handles to the new one, and I don't know what more to say, but go, you got this, man. This shit's an easy job, 20-minute fix. Thanks for watching. Peace, I'm out.